Hey guys, Kat at Computers Plus again. We are located at 3330 Cobb Parkway Northwest, Suite 154 in Acworth, Georgia. We're located inside the Kroger Butler Creek Shopping Plaza, and we are down from Uptown and Guston's. And I am here to tell everybody about this brand new custom that our techs just finished building. And it's actually really awesome because it's nice, it's small, it's compact, and you wouldn't see it by looking at it, but this is actually a slightly powerful machine. Not to mention, it's the color changing on it. You can set it to a specific color, or you can just let it cycle like it's currently doing. So let me tell you a little bit about this computer and what the price is and go over some details with you. So right now it is an Inwin custom. It's a Ryzen 5 2600X, and it's also at 16 gigs of RAM. Now that's DDR4 for all of that. I believe it can go up to 32, but that is something that we would have to double check just to be on the safe side and make sure that we get that information for you. But if you're a gamer, 16 gigs of RAM should be optimal and fine, unless you're one of those that you gotta stay at the top of the leaderboard. Which, by the way, there's nothing wrong with that. You just have to upgrade your system about every 3 months or so, in all honesty. It's got a 1 terabyte SSD, NVMe currently. I do believe it can have a second one as well if that's needed, but you can always use externals as well as a potential if you need to. It does come with a RX 590 graphics card, so I always double check to see what gaming you're doing or potentially doing and see if that graphics card is going to work for you. Now, the good thing about this and our way of doing customs and everything, especially for those that like to stay at the top of leaderboards or just really want a nice, powerful machine to be able to work off of, be able to play and enjoy that time off from work that you so enjoy, is that all our computers do come with a 90-day warranty for the parts of the computer. The bonus about our customs, especially with this one that we've just finished doing, is it also comes with a 1-year software protection for you. So you don't have to worry about if your update doesn't go through, we've got you covered. It'll be covered for a reload. If you've got a virus that needs to be removed off of it, you're covered for that. You're covered for optimization. And literally, it's an $80 value that you're getting for free because you're getting the computer with it already preloaded onto it. With that being said, you also do get a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, so if you need help with that or going through that process on top of the 90 days, you're covered. And again, you get a 1-year software for the computer and making sure that you're covered. So the other bonus about this wonderful case is it also charges your phone. So you see this little circle at the top. At that point, you're going to put your phone on that little particular section, and it will charge your phone while you're gaming. So you don't even have to stress or worry at all about finding a power cord or plugging it into a slot, or even if you have, the slots are all full up and you don't have the space for it, you just put your case on the top of it and make sure that you're charged. And all of it's going for $1,300. And we do financing, so we do have a rent-to-own program if you can't buy it outright. So that is a potential, and you would go to computersplususa.com, click the rent-to-own tab, and we can walk you through the process if you have any questions or concerns, and we're here 7 days a week. Thanks so much.